With housing costs on the rise and space at a premium, accessory dwelling units, also known as ADUs, are becoming the smart way to increase one's property value and generate additional income.
But we've seen how tough it is for borrowers to get this type of financing. So we've created a hard money or private money ADU loan program specifically designed to make it easier for homeowners to get started on these projects.
That's right. So if you're interested in building an ADU, check out how we can help.
Our ADU loan programs use the equity in your property to fund construction, conversion, or completion of a secondary unit. Whether it's a rental to bring in extra income, a suite for family, or a workspace at home, we make financing simple and fast. Because we're direct private lenders, we focus on property value and equity, not strict income or credit requirements. That means faster approvals, flexible terms, and funding options designed around your goals. At Pacific Direct Mortgage, we help find a solution that works for you. Give us a call or visit our website today.